I'm Dr. Vishakha. Nowadays, obesity is more than just weight concern. It's a global health challenge. Obesity is linked to multiple health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and many more. This condition is affecting millions of people worldwide. Ayurveda offers a unique perspective when it comes to weight loss management. It's not just about shedding those extra pounds or inches. It is about restoring the dosha balance in your mind and body. In order to tackle this modern health concern, Herbal Hill Wellness presents our signature treatment, Aptarpana, that is specially designed for fat burning and weight loss management. Your path to healthy weight and vibrant well-being begins here. Contact us today and let our Ayurveda experts guide you towards balanced and healthier you.